My name is Guillaume Gagnon. I'm Executive Vice President of Guay. We bought 19 rough terrain crane going from a 160-ton crane to 55-ton rough terrain crane. We work into remote area, winter conditions, so we wanted to have a rough terrain that was reliable. Also, what we like is all the rough terrain model. They have the same operation pattern. They also have lots of parts in common, so for our technicians and crane operator, they're easier to operate and to maintain. And for our customer, they're also less loss of time on their job site with the reliability we can have with those RT. We also appreciate the support we get from our dealership, Quebec and Tadano, for our support when we do our studies to buy the crane, or also the support for the service when we have a problem with the crane. They're there to help us, and that's really important to serve our customer better. And I would also like to say we buy Tadano to offer our customer one of the most reliable RTs in the market.